aware that what is a chord? A line segment joining 2 points on the circle. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle is known as a chord, right? And we also should note that this chord will be a part of the secant. A secant is a line which is intersecting the circle at 2 points, and this chord will be the part of this secant, right? So now we'll find out how to calculate the value or the length of this chord. So let's assume a circle. Equation of the circle is given as x square plus y square is equal to 16, and we are given that the equation of the chord is equal to y is equal to root 3x plus 1, right? We know that the equation of this line AB is y is equal to root 3x plus 1, so both these points will satisfy this equation. Also both these points will satisfy x square plus y square is equal to 16. I want to find the length of this chord. First, or the lengthy way of doing this is, if I substitute the value of y over here, I can easily get the value of x and y. What do I mean is that if you solve these two equations, you will get the x coordinate and the y coordinates of A and B, and if you apply the distance formula, you can easily calculate the value of AB. The other way, or the simpler way, is that I know the center of the circle. The center of the circle is 0, 0, and the radius of the circle is 4. So this will be the radius of the circle. Now I need to find the length of the chord AB. One thing you need to note is that a perpendicular from the center always bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center always bisects the chord. So if I find the value of, let's say this is C, this is O. If I find the value of BC, then I can easily make 2 times BC, and this 2 times BC will give us the length of the full chord, right? Now how will I find the length BC? I know the length OB. If I also find, I know the length OB. If I also find the length OC, then applying the Pythagoras theorem, I can easily find the length BC, right? So how do we do that? Let's see. The equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 16, and the line is y is equal to root 3x plus 1, right? Now to calculate OC, we must remember the concept that how to find the distance of a point from a given line. How to find the distance of a point from a given line, that we can easily apply the formula. This line equation can be written as root 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. I have to substitute the value of this point 0, 0 in this equation and divide it by under root a square plus b square. If you still remember how to do that, 1 divide by under root 3 square plus 1 square. This thing will come out to be half. So now we know that this distance is coming out to be half. If this distance is known, also we know the value of OB, we can easily find the value of BC, right? So the value of BC will come out to be, BC square is equal to OB square minus OC square. So BC square, OB square minus OC square. OB square is equal to 16 minus 1 upon 4. So BC square will equal to, BC will be equal to under root 63 upon 4, right? So AB will come out to be twice of this, so root 63 upon 2. So this will be the length of the chord